everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last class we have studied about the dihybrid cross. So from that cross we have derived an law known as law of independent assortment. Okay. So let's explain what is law of independent assortment. In the dihybrid cross, which we have discussed in the previous class, the phenotypes were the round, yellow and wrinkled yellow. Okay, and they were appeared in the phenotypic ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, that is 9 round yellow, 3 wrinkled yellow, 3 round green and 1 wrinkled green. From this, the law states that when two pairs of characters or two pairs of the traits are combined in the hybrid, which are the two pairs of trait here, let it be round yellow. Okay, when the two pairs of the traits are combined in a hybrid, the segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. That means the segregation of one pair of characters in the case of a seed color and the seed shape, the segregation of seed color will be independent of the other character, that is the seed shape. So the seed shape and the seed color will be independently segregated to the next generation. Also, in that case, each parent produces 4 types of gametes, which we have already discussed in the previous chapter. In the previous class. This was happened due to the independent assortment. Okay, so the law states that the segregation of one pair is independent of the other pair. That is, the segregation of the seed shape is independent of the seed color. That is, the allele you pass on the seed shape does not affect the allele you pass on with the seed color. Both the seed color and the seed shape will be independently segregated into the next generation. Okay. So, in the previous classes, we have studied about monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. So, we are coming to a conclusion. 3 laws are derived by Mendel from the 2 crosses done. Which are the 2 type of crosses done here? That is monohybrid cross, and which is another type of cross? Dihybrid cross. So, from the monohybrid cross, 2 laws were derived by Mendel. Which were they? First one was law of dominance, and the second one was law of segregation. So, 2 laws were derived from the monohybrid cross. Law of dominance and law of segregation were derived from the monohybrid cross, while in the case of dihybrid cross, the law named law of independent assortment was derived. So, in the case of dihybrid cross, law of independent assortment was derived from the dihybrid cross. So, from the 2 type of crosses, 3 laws were derived by Mendel. Law of dominance and law of segregation were derived from the monohybrid cross, and the law of independent assortment was derived from the dihybrid cross. So that's all for today's class. I hope you have understood the topic. If you have any doubts regarding the session, you can type it down in the comment section. And to watch more videos from this chapter, you can watch my playlist named Genetics. I have given it in the thumbnail section. Okay, you can check it out there. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.